Okay.
Wait. Come on.
Oh, no, I did this because
She'll jump off there. Oh, she's gonna go. She's gonna go for it.
Wait, wait.
Oh no, she's not going for it. Okay, come here.
Okay, wait.
Hey, she's trying to go.
Okay, go. Oh god, that's far.
Come on, Bluebell.
There she goes. One.
I felt that. Where is she? I can't reach her. There you go. I got Ryan. Okay.
You better be ready.
Come on! Yes!
You know what? We have to hold a little circle so she can jump through. A little hoop.
Okay.
Oh god, that's far. Are you sure? Oh my god.